Whether you're redecorating or literally painting the town red, there are a few rules to remember about latex paint. Rule number 1, don't buy more than you need. Rule number 2, use what you have. Rule number 3, dispose of leftover paint by mixing it with some type of absorbent, like old coffee grounds or shredded paper. Then just wait, and once the paint is dry, just toss it in the trash. There is, however, one exception. If you have usable paint that's at least 90% full, skip the trash and head to one of our county collection sites. We'll donate your paint to Habitat for Humanity. For more information on paint disposal, visit our website at fairfaxcounty.gov/living/recycling or give us a call. Preventing pollution. It's as easy as watching paint dry.